Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.44 on Rocky Linux 10. Okay, so first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.44. Then select the operating system, Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then we have to select the version. See here, don't have the 10, but select the latest version. See here, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 902 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and install list of RPM packages. Okay, this will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.44 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-exf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter, ls. See, extraction completed. We have to install these packages. Sudo rpm-ivh star -nodeps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Put the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.44. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo system ctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. See, MySQL Server is installed. It is inactive or dead. Okay, so Q to quit. Suppose if you don't give MySQL then D, it won't work. See, could not found the service. Okay, so this service is stopped. So start it. Sudo Ctrl L systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service is active and running. Okay, Q to quit, Ctrl L. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of MySQL user account. Either it may be MySQL user account or root account. But we don't have any of the MySQL user account password. But we can get the MySQL user temporary password by going to sudo more/var log mysqld.log, then grep password. Hit enter. See, a temporary password is generated for root. See, this is the temporary password. This is not same for you. Okay, so now you set the permanent password for this root account. Sudo mysql _secure installation. Now copy this password. As I told you, this is not same for you. Hit enter. Now set the permanent password for the MySQL user root. I don't want to change again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow root. No. Remove test database. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for MySQL user root account. Okay, Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.44. See here. You can also get the version of the MySQL Server by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create database. See, bank is the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. So switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Now verify tables in this database. See, you don't have any table, so create table. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users. Now create user, create. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. So to exit, we have to use exit or quit. Control A, MySQL, then -u, new username is David -p. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. You can also verify the same by running select current _ user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on Rocky Linux operating systems. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Ls, these files are not required anymore, so remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm, this command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. ls, see here we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.0.44 on Rocky Linux 10. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.